Good morning, children. In this pleasant morning, we are going to start our second lesson in the computer, that is the hardware and the software. See, the second lesson is the hardware and the software. In this lesson, we are going to see about this hardware and software. What is a computer? A computer is a wonderful machine which can perform the many tasks. So a computer is a wonderful machine. In the last lesson itself I told you. So that performs the many tasks. This computer have a two main components, that is a hardware and a software. The two main components of a computer are hardware and a software. This hardware, what is the hardware? The physical parts of the computer, whatever parts we can see and touch is called a hardware. What is the hardware? The physical parts of the computer which we can see and touch is called a hardware. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, these all are the hardware of the computer. Some of the hardwares are kept inside the computer. They are hard disk, CPU. These hardwares are kept inside the CPU box. Okay, in this hardware we have the three parts, that is a input device, output device and a storage device. This hardware has a three parts. One is the input device and output device, and is the last one storage device. What is the input device? First, a device which is used to give the input into the computer is called a input device. What is the input device? It gives input to the computer. What is the output device? It shows output on the computer. The computer processes the results and show the output through the output device. What is a storage device? It can store the data of the computer. Like our brain, the storage device stores everything in the storage device. Component of a hardware. First we are going to see about a input device in the hardware. Okay, first input device is the keyboard. See, look at this picture. This is a keyboard. It is used to enter data and instructions into the computer. And this is a mouse. Mouse is used to point the objects on the monitor. This is a scanner. Scanner is used to scan the papers and feed the data into a computer. Okay, this is a microphone. This is used to feed the voice data into the computer. This is joystick. This is used when we are playing the games. This is a movable stick. We can move the stick easily when we are playing the games. This is a light pen. This light pen is used like a tablet pen. This is a touch pen. Okay, like a touch pen, we can use this in a computer. These all are the main input device of a computer: keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, joystick and a light pen. Okay, next, output device. What is the output device? Output device, I told you, output device is used to show the output from the computer. In the output device, we are going to see the four output device. First one is the monitor. What is a monitor? Monitor shows whatever works the computer did, the results from the computer. Monitor displays the results from the computer. This monitor screen looks like our TV screen. This is a printer. Printer is used to take the printout from the computer. The printout taken from the printer is called a hard copy. This is a speaker. Speaker is used to hear the sound from the computer. And then this is a headphone. We can listen to the song and we can place it in the ear itself. The speaker is kept on the table, but headphone is used. These are the four output device of the computer: monitor, printer, speaker and a headphone. Next we are going to see about a storage device. See, these all are the three main storage device. First one is the hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device. It is placed inside the CPU box. Without a hard disk, we cannot switch on the computer. This is a CD. This is round in shape. This is a circular data storage device. This have a very less space. And this is a pen drive, which you know very well. Without a pen drive, nowadays students are not available without a pen drive. So pen drive stores a more data when compared to the CD. Next we are going to see the second component of a computer, software. First component is hardware, second component is a software. This software is what is a software? First, software is a part of the computer that we cannot see and touch. Children, hardware is a part of the computer which we can touch, but software we cannot touch and see. This is a program written on the computer. These software are divided into two types, that is a system software and application software. Software are two types. One is a system software and another is a application software. System software is a set of instructions which control the working of the computer. So system software, without system software the computer cannot switch on. So operating system is one of the main system software. Okay. For example, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, these all are the versions of the operating system. Without the operating system, the system cannot switch on. This is the main system software of the computer. Next we are going to see about the application software. What is this application software? It performs a particular task in a computer. This is installed in the computer for specific purpose. For example, they are given a calculator and a MS Paint. For what purpose we use this calculator? This calculator is used to calculate a numbers, doing some max works. And this MS Paint is used only for the painting purpose. We cannot paint in the calculator, we cannot do the calculation in the MS Paint. So these softwares are installed only for the particular task. So this is called the application software. Children, revise the lesson. This lesson we saw about a hardware and a software. In the hardware we see about a input device, output device and a storage device. In the software we see about a application software and a system software. Okay, go through the lesson, copy the notes in your term book. Okay children, have a nice day.